little quick update on the Sentra. I have done nothing to it yet. It's still got to get sanded down and you know, and it get painted, but I'm not going to do that yet until we start doing stuff with the body work. So it's just, you know, getting stuff to do the body work. I got to fill these holes. I don't have my key. I think it's locked. Yeah, it's just basically like a little, looks like my little tool storage at the moment. But I got to do the hood. Still got to do the hood. And I need to get up underneath the car as well. See, and it's very dirty. I got to still do the hood and all that. I mean, I'm saying the hood. The roof is going to have to get painted too once we start. After we get the body work done. After we get all this done. I decided, I think that we'll just get a replacement door. A whole replacement door for this. Because it's rusted all the way through. So I figured there's no use for me to try to, you know, cut sheet metal and weld it on there because it's so bad. As you see, it's just horrible. So we might as well just get a whole new replacement door. Then I gotta get up under here. I don't know if hopefully you can see in there. Let me turn the light on. I gotta get under there. And you know. And also I gotta change the fluids in this. Like I said previously, I want to change all the fluids. Fresh oil, fresh coolant, and all of that in here. So we're gonna get that done. And then I gotta get a new jack because my jack is, I have two jacks and they're just straight trash. So gotta get that done. So we're gonna get back on this thing here soon. But it's just, I got a lot that I have to find for it. The hood, I can probably, I don't think I'm gonna do a replacement hood for this. I'm just gonna try to fix the dents on here. But if I can't get it too straight on these sides, maybe we'll just get a replacement hood for it. So let me know what y'all think. If I should just fix the hood, if you think I could fix this, or just get a whole replacement hood for it. So this is like the worst where it's at, where the dents are. It's not bent down on the edges or anything. Really, it's just too bad. Just dented here, but it doesn't stop it from closing too much properly. You'll see there's a whole gap right there. Okay, so, and then right there, this is a little better than the left side, but other than that, there's a little gap right here. You can see where the hood is kind of bent up right there. But other than that, it's not too bad. The headlights and everything are fine. I don't think I need to do anything with the headlights, but I might, if I do anything, might do maybe some different color headlights on here. But keep these just, you know, I'll keep these, you know, just because I ever want to change them back to stock, and maybe do something different with the grill. I'm not sure yet. And then I'm thinking, once everything's finished, of doing maybe putting, you know, something, maybe a little body kit on it or something. I don't know if I would want to lower it, but maybe putting you know, a bigger lip, or changing the bumper out and getting a bumper that sits a little bit lower down to the ground. So yeah, but first things first, we got to get all the rust taken care of. We got to get all the rust taken care of first. Get this taken care of before it gets worse, right there. And get a different door. And then the driver door, the fender, we can probably beat this dent out as best we could, make this look better. If not, maybe we'll just replace the whole fender. But I think we might be able to get this kind of straight. We'll see. And then this is not as bad as the passenger, like I said previously. So hopefully we can get this fixed up and get this taken care of. before it starts looking like the passenger door. Sand that down right there, and I think everything will be straight on that side, and then, you know, sanding this down to get the scratches out, you know, obviously priming, then get it painted. But the back is not really bad, nothing really bad there. And then obviously you saw the clear coat peel, you know, or clear coat coming off on the top of it. But I have not started this in a very long time. It's been since like the last time I did the video on it, when I did the, I think when I did the filter and the gasket, the valve cover gasket on it, was the last time this thing was started. So just wanted to bring you guys an update on the Sentra. So we'll get back on this soon. I just got to get all of my stuff together for it. I got to get oil and all that stuff too, new oil filter, so we'll get all that taken care of. But I'm trying to think of ideas what I would do to the Sentra. Probably, I know I will, you know, I'll probably get a different, I'll probably maybe get, not say different, but well, it is different, like a cold air intake on it. And I'm not sure if, I think I'm gonna do something after. It's gonna be, you know, a while, but do something different on the exhaust. Can't really decide, hang on. The exhaust, I don't know if you can see it right there. It's actually, the exhaust is actually, the pipe is actually pretty good size, as you can see. But I might do something, maybe we'll do like a thin and have a pipe coming out on both sides. But leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. But if you haven't already, please subscribe to our videos, give us a thumbs up. Until next time. One more thing I forgot. Before we do all this modifications or adding everything, we gotta get the thing running right still. So that means more than likely dropping the transmission and replacing the torque converter on this thing. So we gotta get that taken care of first and foremost before we do anything else with this thing. But yeah, I'm out again. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel.
11. Goodbye. Bye.